This exercise is called mindful eating. This exercise is often taught as an introduction to mindfulness, as it involves being curious and aware using the senses. To do this exercise, you will need some food or a drink. You may need to adapt this exercise if you can't use all your senses or if you've been advised not to eat or drink. Do only what you can, and if your mind starts giving you a hard time about being unable to complete the exercise, just try to notice these thoughts before coming back to the exercise. This exercise may seem strange at times, so we recommend doing it in a private space where you won't worry about being judged or feeling rushed. So to begin with, find a quiet place to sit or stand, noticing the contact of your feet with the floor. Next, take 3 deep breaths, in through the nose and out through the mouth, noticing the movement of the body as you breathe. When you're ready, softly shift your gaze to the food or drink that you have in front of you. It may seem strange, but look at this food or drink as if it's the first time you've ever seen it, studying it as though you've got to draw it in detail or write a scientific report all about it. Notice its shape, its contours and colour, how shiny or dull it is, and the way the light bounces off it. Now notice how it feels to touch this food or drink, how it feels against the tips of your fingers, its weight in your hand. Notice the temperature and whether this food or drink feels hot or cold. Notice the texture, whether this food or drink is rough or smooth, soft or hard, or solid or a liquid. Next, bring this food or drink close to your face, noticing how it looks in detail. You could close your eyes and bring it to your nose. If you can, begin to use your sense of smell to notice the fragrance or aroma of this food or drink. Remember that you're exploring this as if you've never seen this before. And if your mind wanders off or has thoughts about this exercise, just trying to return to that view. Now, if you can, slowly bring this food or drink towards your mouth. Notice how it feels against your lips. After a moment, place some of this food or drink into your mouth. Don't chew or swallow anything just yet. Instead, just move this food or drink around your mouth, noticing how it feels against the cheek, the tongue, if you're able to do so. Be aware of any tingling sensations, any sweetness or bitterness, and of any tastes that you can notice or describe. You might notice some urges to bite or swallow, and just see if you can resist these for a moment more. if you are using food for this exercise, you can now begin to chew. Doing so slowly and purposefully. Paying attention to any changes as you chew in the texture, the taste, the flavour, or the feel of the food. And now noticing and allowing yourself to swallow the food or drink, paying attention to the movement of the mouth and throat as you do so. After swallowing, notice any taste or sensations that linger. If you can't swallow, you may need to lick or taste the food or drink before spitting it out. And just take a moment, now we've come towards the end of this exercise, to notice any thoughts or feelings that remain or have arose from doing this. And then bringing your attention back to the wider world around you.